Hello, this is Matt from the Intergalactic Herald, just going through our weekly recap of Star Atlas News number 62. You can find all the links mentioned at intergalacticherald.com. Look for News Recap 62. Pock the Pirate posted a video of information about the Never Alone campaign. Pock the Pirate did an update on some latest Star Atlas news. Metaverse Nomads did their weekly Star Atlas live stream. Metaverse Explorer posted a video of some Star Atlas updates. Gladiator posted a video of an overview for beginners of the play.staratlas.com website. Beyond the Horizon posted a video of the Star Atlas flight trainer. Aphia posted their weekly Star Atlas newsletter. Gladiator posted a video of a Star Atlas ship giveaway. If you'd like to, again, get links to all of the items mentioned, please go to intergalacticherald.com and look for News Recap 62. Thank you.